It would be great if you could add vegetable to your meals a little bit each time, don't you think? Here's what I do. First, fill a pot with water and add some salt. Then add the potato. When it starts boiling, I time it. After 5 minutes, add carrots and let them boil for another 5 minutes. Finally, add the broccoli or other vegetable that cook quickly and stir to distribute the heat evenly and turn off the heat. Then, I immediately remove the vegetable from the pot. If you strain and cool them this way, all the vegetable will be cooked with the heat they contain while cooking. You can eat them without seasoning as they are boiled in salt water. I make warm vegetable this way and keep them in the refrigerator. They can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. So it's convenient not to have to prepare vegetables separately for each meal. Whenever I need them, I take out as much as I need and reheat them on a pan with the lid on for about 1.5 minutes. You can also add a little bit of butter if you like. Prepare vegetable my way and enjoy them frequently. Happy cooking! 안녕!